Me again. Welcome back everyone for Van Life Meal Prep 2.0. If you watched my last video last week, I did this whole orderly scientific thing. I bought, I think, $69 worth of food, cooked it in a big marathon here at Lake Denison, and then I ate it for the rest of the week. I actually saved 200 bucks a week from that project. It was crazy. I made some mistakes though, and also some of you guys put good suggestions in the comments. So I'm doing next week's meal prep. I'm back at Lake Denison on a Friday evening. I'm gonna do some changes that you guys suggested. For example, one person suggested that instead of nuking it with all those seasonings I put in like dill and licorice and rosemary and salt and pepper. I threw in like 20 different things. It was a mistake. Someone suggested that I just use salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. So I found a seasoning blend at Market 32 of exactly that. I'm gonna put that on everything. I think that's good advice. I'm also gonna take my food out one by one, chop it all up real nice. I didn't really chop a lot of the stuff. Like the potatoes were just too big. And the Brussels sprouts, I really need to cut that crap up. My plan for tonight is to listen to music. I brought this little radio that my mother gave me as a birthday present. I'm gonna play this in the background because I am gonna record everything on my phone as a time lapse. I'm gonna play some music. We're gonna cut up all our food and prepare it together. I'm gonna have little subtitles there narrating what the heck I'm doing. The light is gonna change. It's gonna be a ton of fun, guys. And at the end of this whole marathon session, I'll have a chat with you guys in my van about stuff. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get the campfire going. I'm gonna get the rice thrown in there, and I'm gonna get things fired up. All right, enjoy the show, guys, and enjoy my choice of music for you all. These Ziploc bags come with little labels. I'm taking advantage of that. I'm marking a little M every time I put meat in one of the bags. I've got the meat on the grill right now. It smells so good. I'm going crazy. I'm just like picking at every little thing. After that, I have one more wok full of vegetables to do. I'll be doing that probably under the blue twilight. Yeah, it's starting to get chilly, guys. So Van Meal Life Prep, whatever this is, on its second iteration took 3.5 hours. I made a lot of improvements this time, and I thank you guys for all of them. For example, a commenter said to only use salt and pepper and garlic for the whole cook through. I did that and everything came out delicious. I think just sticking to those 3 flavors, they're like the holy trinity of flavor. They just satisfy every part of your taste bud palate. If I want to use more seasonings, I might add them in after the fact. Another person spoke up about getting food poisoning and how it's not good to eat leftover chicken more than 3 days out. So, I'm only eating chicken for the first 3 nights, including tonight. The 4th night will be beef, which is a little heartier. The last 3 nights I got these vegan protein patties. I'll let you guys know how those all work out. I still have more things I want to do different next time. I'm kind of concerned how those Ziploc bags melted in the heat. I'm not ready to abandon Ziploc bags altogether yet, although I feel like I might have to move to Tupperware eventually. The bags are just so space efficient. This has been a lot of fun. I love doing this. I want to do it more often, but I need to talk to you guys about what I can and cannot do with my time. In case you've noticed, I've been putting out 3 videos a week for the past 3 or 4 months. I love the grind, don't get me wrong, it's been hugely satisfying. You know, I also work a full-time job, a 40-hour-a-week job that I love. To do that, and to put out the quality of YouTube videos that I want to make, I cannot do 3 a week. I'm gonna have to cut it down to 2. I'm also asking if you guys can support me if you want to. I know YouTube has a memberships button below, and a couple of you have already subscribed to that. It's like $5 a month. I'm asking you to actually cancel that and join my Patreon, which I'll put a link down below. Patreon is actually cheaper than my YouTube memberships. It's $4 a month. If you want to throw in just to help me out, just to say, hey Matt, I like your videos, $4 a month, it goes a long way. I actually get a better cut of that than I do through the YouTube membership. And with Patreon, it's not controlled by YouTube. They can demonetize you at a heartbeat and ruin your life. I want to do more of this. I need to know it's worth it to me, and I could use all the help I can get. I'm not gonna plead for this in every video, but if you do want to support me and you want to show me, I would love if you could just join my Patreon. Like I said, it's a link below. If you don't want to do that, fine. Just hit the like button below. That's all I ask. Thanks for watching this whole adventure through. I'll do more meal prep things below. As for my video schedule, I'm now going to be uploading on Monday and Thursday nights. And these videos are going to be much better. Like with cooking, with the videos, I think I get better with every iteration. I enjoy your comments too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching this one. Peace out.